Ishita. I work as Chief of Staff in boAt and in the Founder's Office altogether. It's been 10 years. I have devoted my career to consumer tech. So yeah, over and all 10 years in the consumer space, loving it. I was already working in an online space and I got hired in boAt, and it was very, I would say, very hustle culture, very raw culture, very blunt. We didn't know what kind of processes have to be made at that point of time. We were working from Hoskas village and social offline. So that was the time I was working on, and we didn't have any sort of, steps laid down that, itta karna hai, to hum itta pahunchenge. It was nothing like that. Everything and anything was our sort of milestone to achieve. So that was there. I have done a lot bit to where boAt is, and I took care and established the D2C front, the boatlifestyle.com. That was something I started from NAC, and that too during COVID. And we, along with the team, we were working day in and day out from back end to front end. Dispatching the products during COVID was also a challenge. So that was something which we did during that point of time. Then there were certain categories which we took care and we established, like wearables as a technology, wearables as products, and the category at that point of time we established. Then gaming was some category which I established. So those were certain kicks at that point of time. And now when we have taken boAt to a different ball game altogether, now it's a different challenges altogether. We are creating processes. We have now added method to our madnesses as well. So those kind of knacks is something which we look forward to daily. And initially it was something else. Today it is something else, and next 1 year, 2 years, it will be different altogether. So every year there is a different kind of change altogether, and we are just looking forward and being that dynamic person you should be to take on those challenges and make sure that you are there and stepping up on your game so that you cope up with the change of the corporate culture as well. So yeah, that is there. That is how I'll sum up my good 10 years. You have to be that adaptable. Chief of Staff, I would say it is eyes and ears for each and every vertical of the organization. So when I say that it's just not limited to one game altogether, not one vertical altogether, it is eyes and ears of every department to your founder. Yeah, edgy, young, hyper local. I would also say that हमने बहुत ज़्यादा Bollywood inspired भी है. So I think so every other references of our element comes from some or the other Bollywood kind of picture, because that is how our founders trickle down is his own persona towards us, and that is how it has always been. And when you say that what kind of early things, I think so we were always jugadus, we were always hustlers, and that is, I think so, is the basic culture of boAt. We are always frugal. We have never sort of thought ki ye company ka paisa hai, let's do like that. We have never been like that, and we will never be like that, because we always think that, karna hame hai sab kuch, like we have to achieve this thing together, then why to waste a simple penny as well. And similarly, when I say that we are hustlers, we are jugadus, we sort of define our problem statements like that. Agar koi problem hai and can be solved in a simple sort of our own hustle way, then why to go towards ki haan itte approvals chalenge, fir ye cheez solve hogi. I don't think so. That is how we have been, and and this is the culture which has been trickled down across. Even in our hirings, we make sure that these things are something which is on the forefront of any employee who gets hired. So I think so, yeah, those are some bit which I think so we look out for. The disruptors, the jugadus, the hustlers, these are our core mottos. And of course some bit of our Bollywood knack, kahin references when meetings chal rahi hai, and when you put a Bollywood knack towards it, I think so that makes the cut. So see, like I told you earlier as well, we look out for people who are jugadus. We look out for people who are hustler. Not necessarily a person who is top tier college can be a person who also be a jugadu or a hustler in that nature. Somebody who defies the process, somebody who actually gets things done, somebody who has that crazy spirit in that person कि हाँ मैं दे दूँ इसको काम तो ये मेरे को पता है करके दे देगा. This is something which we look out for. Not necessarily a top tier B school graduate will be that person. So I think so it's very I would say uptowny. काफी नया है, and I think so this is something which people need. As I said, right, that I think so when you are giving them a real life examples of certain case studies and how they are pitching their ideas to panelists and things like that, that will really, that is a very different game altogether. जब हम like I have done MBA, जब हम लोग MBA में थे हमारे normal case studies होती थी, हमने case study किसी companies की पढ़ी, and then you know we used to evaluate on that, and then there was a group discussion and things like that used to happen at that point of time. And it's been good 10 years I have done my MBA, but when I see these real life sort of, you know, situations, I cannot even see that this is a college. This is not a college for me. This is like a corporate setup, a very startup-ish setup, which I really like, that this is the vibe of, if the students are having this kind of vibe, I think so they can have a different ball game when they step in the corporate culture. So that is there, and I think so the mindset and the skills which you guys are imbibing into the students, that you know real life problems, real life that salesy things, we didn't get to know that. हम presentations देते थे, we used to give our presentations to our teachers only. There was no real life mentor or something of that sort, real life you know those industry experts to give certain insights upon. Guest lectures होते थे, but वो Saturdays को 1-1.5 घंटे का होता था. If you are giving these kind of insights to your students, I think so they will have a very I would say that they will step one game ahead of their people who are graduating in the same kind from a different school altogether. So this is something which I think so will pave a way for them, and I love it what you guys are doing with this kind of setup, with this kind of crazy environment. I didn't feel like that I was entering school premises. So yeah, good job and kudos to you guys. You guys are already sort of, I would not say tame, but you are actually curating students for the real life problems. I don't think so that आप लोग theoretical aspects में जा भी रहे हो. It's more of, you know, what the real life scenarios of how a company is actually working upon. क्या sales issues आते हैं, क्या bottleneck आते हैं when there is a manufacturing industry is there, what kind of bottleneck are there when service industry is sort of there. So I think so you guys are already curating students to get these problems at hand and solve right now towards them, and when they come to us for the pitch or for the interviews, I think so they will be more enhanced version of what we actually will give them. To the founding cohort of 2025, I would just say that be crazy enough to achieve your dreams. If you are crazy, then I think so you'll be able to do everything in the life. Thanks a lot.